Hymer Masterline i780 motorhome. This will cost in excess of €220,000, and I'm going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. So this motorhome has at the back a German layout, which can be one big single bed when we use this mattress to fit in here. We've got storage under the bed and we've got storage around the bed. We've also got a window at either side together with a window in the roof. There's a television, there is air conditioning. In here we've got a toilet, and on the other side we will find a shower with a bar at the top so you can wash your socks and hang them up to dry. In here we've got a kitchen, 2 gas burners plus 1 induction, and in here sink, smaller sink, storage. We've got a wardrobe here, we've got a fridge with a freezer and a grill. Hidden under here is a television and L-shaped sitting group, round table which will extend, extra bed up there which will descend, storage in the walls. Note the flat floor which can be used for storage as well. SLC chassis. Mirror to check your tie as you're leaving. There's a door with a window in it. It comes with an enormous garage here. This garage will take 450 kilos of weight. Comes with external shower. There's electricity in the garage as well. Also note here, same size door on this side. We've got here a flap which gives you more storage. Note how deep that double floor is. Lots of potential storage in there. That's for your gas. And if you want to see a longer video on this, I've done one in more depth. There is a link in the description if you want to buy it. This vehicle is available now, but for the moment, from me in Heilbronn, Germany, thanks very much for watching and all the best. I did this video in under 3 minutes.